If we want to be happy in this life, we'll have to follow the line of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Rupa Goswami, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti, Siddhanta Saraswati Goswami Thakur, our Gurudev, and Swamiji. There is no another way. So we should have so much strong faith in Harinam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Hare Nam, Eva Kevalam. And very strong faith that name is himself, Krishna. But somewhere, in some way, Krishna has invested his unlimited power, mercy, all the qualities, opulences, everything in name. But we are unfortunate that we have no taste in this name. Name can give everything. Even a man with honor and Shraddha, he is taking the ulta naam, reverse name, Mara, Mara, Maram. If he cannot speak Krishna, Kanai, Kanu, even, he will know and he will be merciful. If anyone cannot do pranam, nor if he cannot do like this, only chant Hare Krishna in any way. If you have no honor even, but chanting, even it will give liberation. And with you are served, but with honor and love and affection you are doing, it will go take you to Golok Vrindavan, eternal happiness. So we should have faith. Don't be weak. Those who are grihastha, no mind, they should be grihastha. Chant and remember. But they should be like Indian line. Yes. Not divorcing again. Indian culture. And those who are brahmacharis, they should never fall down. They should not be come down. And what to speak of sannyasi? They should be paramahans, more going, not going degrading. The ladies, why left worldly life, oh that's it. So a strong like sannyasis, not less than sannyasis. The ladies who has been divorced by anyone, oh, that should be like one. Krishna is my everything. And go on chanting, remembering. And thus, in this life you will realize all these things. So Nityananda Prabhu has promised. Listen me. If anyone is chanting and remembering, and if he is not liberated, oh, for this I am responsible. Krishna has also promised, Sarva dharman pratyaj mam ekam saranam braja, am tvam sarva papa bhav mokshayishyami ma shucha. And also, we should not worry for maintaining life. You have surrendered totally, then Krishna will take something, vegetables from market on his head. Even if he cannot cook, he will cook. You know, so many examples. He cooked for Draupadi. He cooked for Rup Sanatan Goswami. So, don't worry. He is all powerful, almighty. In classes, you should make here program. How many days we are?
3 days here. Today, tomorrow, and day after.
So we should make program. Hey Prabhu, you are Brajanath Prabhu. You should make any program. Invite all those who can come, and we should go on. Morning program, evening program. In morning program, so many qualified devotees are here. They will class, and in evening, myself. I will have to take full day rest, perhaps. In evening, I can or not. I cannot say. Whole day. So I must go. Gaur Premanand. But I am so happy to meet you all, so much. Especially he invited, and then I became happy that, this time I should from Italy, and then also Germany, France, here, there.
We are happy to have you here. It's our good fortune.
मैं बहुत प्रसन्न हूँ कि यहाँ पर आकर के दो आपसे हिंदी की बातें बोलकर आपका बेटा तो अभी नहीं बोल सकेगा शायद, बेटा हिंदी नहीं बोल
नहीं, हिंदी अभी शुरू नहीं किया हूँ।
और आपकी पत्नी
सीखने को बहुत शौक है, अभी तक तो मैं शुरू नहीं किया। वो जब बोले हम वृंदावन में रहेंगे तो सब सीख लेना होगा।
हाँ, तो सिखला देना। अच्छा, तुम भी वृंदावन में जाना तो हिंदी में बोलना, हाँ? But I know this fact that Germany followed India. Vedas were brought here, translated at the time of Hitler. He was very friend of India. And he was not so cruel as they tell.
Exactly. Prabhupada also told, actually Hitler was better than Churchill.
Yes. But they, by propaganda, they did. He made Germany, no?
Exactly.
So he brought all the Vedas and also Brahmin Pandits, and who discovered aeroplane and so many things, rockets, and so many things from Vedas. And then whole world, they took his remnant from here. But India, in the line of Krishna Bhakti, they rejected Shukracharya and these inventions. They never believe in this science, modern science. They were in our line. In their line we are. That is why Krishna smashed all demons and these things. Dhanvidya, Brahmastra. And he followed Bhakti Atma Vigyan Gita. Gita had never told like this. Modern science and all, of very high class of science. So Hitler took it from India. And he used to respect Indian persons. गौर प्रेमानंदे बहुत बड़ा अच्छा थैंक यू।